Hello friends, how are you doing? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you what was my total earning from stock photography for the month of November 2023. I will be starting with the least earning agency and I'll go towards the end to the absolutely my top earner. Now a disclaimer, I have around 3700 images across my all portfolios because I'm a non-exclusive contributor. However, in Adobe Stock, there is around 13 to 1400 photos, and in Wirestock, there is 800 different photos from all these agencies. Alright, so I will start with the least earner, which is Dreamstime. In Dreamstime, as you can see, my total earning for the month of November is 1.97 US dollars. Going to the next agency, 123RF. In 123RF, as you can see, my total earning for the month of November 2023 is 2.9 US dollars. My next best earning is from IEM. In IEM, I had a sale of a similar photo. One was sold through partner Getty Images, which has got actually a low sales value, 0.13 US dollars. But one was directly sold from IEM, so it has the sale value of 7.5 US dollars. So total my sales value is $7.63 from IEM. Now we are slowly going into double digits. Above IEM, my next best earner is Deposit Photo for the month of November. As you can see, all the sales, my total sales value is 10.93, almost 11 US dollars. Now going into my top 5, in the 5th position, my earning is from Pond 5. But actually in Pond 5, the earning is not from direct photos or video sales. It's actually dataset earning, much similar to what Shutterstock has started, contributor fund, what Adobe Stock has started, like that. Now every stock photography agency is offering you some earning for having data where they can use for dataset. Now if you have got a huge portfolio, automatically you will generate some earning. This is the first time I am seeing such earning in Pond 5, but nevertheless accumulating all together, so 12.5 and 4.68 makes it around almost $17 from Pond 5. My next best earner is Adobe Stock, in which for the month of November my total earning is 24.83 US dollars. So we are now into the 20s. My third best earner for the month of November 2023 is Shutterstock. Now since many months Shutterstock has been my top earner, but in this month I did not have any big sales, but I had consistent sales throughout the my passive income for the entire month. So the total value is 28.35. Well, my payout has already been done, so you can see the unpaid earning is 0.12. So in December I already had one sale I think. Anyway, so it's 28.35, my third best Shutterstock. My second best earner is actually Wirestock. For this month I had an earning of 29.32 US dollars. Kindly note that I am a Wirestock premium contributor, but the portfolio which I built of 800 photos was much before I became a premium contributor. I did this slowly over the course of 2 years, being a free contributor. Alright, so you do not need to be a premium contributor in order to earn from Wirestock. However, right now I am, for the ease of submission, I am a premium contributor, but I don't have so much good experience. I will definitely make a video about that. Actually, I'll make a separate video where I'll show you that being a premium contributor is not actually very good, and they are simply ignoring. It's a trap. Basically, the premium contributor, they are neither allotting any metadata nor the reviewing files that quickly, and they are putting even good files which are accepted for other agencies just as a what I can say, for a contributor, I mean portfolio sale, which is a very bad thing. Anyway, much will come to that video in the later, some time later. But for now, my second best earner is Wirestock with 29.32 US dollars. And if you have been watching my channel over the long time, you already know what agencies I have been contributing into. So my top earner is of course Getty Images. For this month, for iStock Getty Images, the earning is 31.91, almost 32 US dollars. I already made a video about it, how to check your earnings from iStock Getty Images without today's 20 by the PDF method. But later I checked in order to get what are the best sellers. So this is it. So now what I will do, I will calculate, I will add up all these agencies, earning from these agencies in a calculator, and later I'll be showing you what is the total amount in US dollars, and I will also be converting them to Indian currency. So let's do it. So I have added all the amounts from all the agencies, and the amount adds up to 155.02 US dollars, which is around 12,898 Indian rupee. So considering this is a passive income, especially for me who have built a portfolio over 3 to 4 years, and now I am almost uploading nothing, this is considered a very good income, because you will not be using this for your bread and butter as the main source of income. If you are going in my route, I am just using this to accumulate some money over time so that I can invest in my own camera gear. So if you stack this type of money for 1 year, you can easily upgrade your camera lens, camera body, depending on what your goals are. I already made videos about what all I purchased from my total stock photography income till date. Yes, I bought a full frame camera, multiple full frame lens, I bought my Galaxy S23 Ultra phone. So the list is endless and the possibilities are also endless. So please feel free to like this video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends, photographers and cousins who love photography. Please, if you, you can join the Facebook group, where there's a free forum where we can discuss so many things. People post suggestions, post videos, and the discussion is much endless. And if you want a one-on-one discussion, if you want my personal tips, personal messages, personal guidance, you can also feel free to join the channel membership. And if you have been watching this video till now, please type the code word BEST in the comment section so that I know you are watching and you are always supporting me. Anyways, I will see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care.